Hello guys and girls, boom, welcome back. It's Thursday, yeah, still bag of £2 coins, my fave. Not that you need a reminder of the album, all the pages that we're filling, and it's the 4 Commonwealth Games. The rest are complete. That's page 1, there's a couple of rotation errors at the bottom. There we are. All of those are complete, so we only need, but we got there really quickly because we had 2 absolute cracking hunts. They were brilliant. Right, let's get this bag open. Oh, got my headphone cable in a tangle then, I nearly cut it off. Right, what have we got here? Move those out of the way, give ourselves some elbow room. We'll Rob Peace coming in a minute. Okay, I've done a little thumbnail for today's video already, and I put on there the Commonwealth Games. I've got more chance of a robin landing in my hand, so I'm not expecting too much, but oh please P, give us a little bit of luck. We have been patient, haven't we? There we are. Okay, so if we can, let me just come in just a little bit more, too much, just so you can see the bags. Oh, sorry. There we go. Permit to work, confined space. Right, here we go. Let's get this show on the road. Yay! Okay, so Commonwealth Games, we're looking for any other, collectibles that are low mintage. And look at that! What a spanking great find! Oh dear! Wonderful Magna Carta! Wow, that's how to start a hunt. Wonderful. Wow, isn't it glorious with the sun shining? Oh, been out this morning, and well, eek. Okay, give you an edge roll this time. Okay, is it a bust? Is it a bust? Is it a bust? Yay! Okay, wow, what a start. Yay. Now what if that had been a Commonwealth Games? You would have had to have turned the volume down, I can tell you. I was screaming my head off. Oh, there we go. We've got Shakespeare's Hollow Crown. There we go. Oh, I get my little reminder out. Oh, I can't reach it from here. I can't. I've got the mintages on a board, but the board's out of reach. I've got everything else out, I think. Oh dear. The excitement of it. What's that first one? That's looking a little bit different. Maybe we'll put that to the end, whatever it is. So, last one in this bag is going to be interesting. Oh, we've got Remember, Guy Fawkes, and Technologies, and the last one that's got a different edge inscription. Why does that look so different? Don't tell me that can't be, can it? That looks so different. Oh, it's not magnetic. That edge inscription just looks so different. Let's get the light in the right place. Are you seeing it? I'm not yet. No, I can't. I've got to put it underneath my eye. Yeah, engineer. It's got the date and everything. That just looks so different. It stood out, didn't it? Yeah, it did. We'll see if we get another one. We'll check it against it. If not, I'll get the one out of the album page and we'll have a look, see what the difference is. Anything in there? Second one in. No. Okay, what have we got here? Ready? I haven't always got a feeling for these things. One twiddle on. That one. Do you want to have another look? Okay. Have a look at the date at the bottom. Okay. Put that there. Set 90 degrees. Hey. Yeah. Oh, yuck. Don't even go there. Oh, DNA double helix. Lovely. Nice. One of my favourites. There we are. What did I just find then? It's alright, there was something else. I thought I saw the railway line. The Incuse railway line. No. Is it in there? No, I thought I saw the Incuse railway line. Maybe not. I'll have to flick through those now, through the end, in case I've not gone right to the end properly on my thingy. Oh, right, okay. I'll go back through the coins later. That one looks a bit skinny, doesn't it? Third one in. It says standing on the shoulders, but it looks thinner than the two coins either side. My imagination? Or not? Might be a tropical illusion. No, I think there. There we are. Wow, this one's open. Edge inscriptions. That third one in is a bit of a spanker, but it's still, I think, technologies. Oh, we've got a victory in Europe. St Paul's Cathedral with the searchlights on. Now then, another spanker. That's what it was. There we are. Oh, please don't let there be a Commonwealth Games on the floor. Oh, there's one of my shoe. Ah. Oh, there's one over there. Sorry about the sound effects, guys and girls. What have we got here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. I know there better not be any fines in here. Oh dear. Oh, thank goodness for that. Eh? It's the only time you're pleased to get a bust. Oh, these are out as well. Or is that just a bag? Third one along now. I've done that pile. It's just a bag on top of it, I think. Oh, talk about getting in a mucky fuddle. Oh, lordy. Okay, we are. Come on, are you willing these Commonwealth Games to come out of this bag? Yeah, come on. Come on. I think the postcode on the front of this bag that's come from a post office today has got was it TW14, I think? Let me just have a quick look. I don't know what area that is. We're SO, but this was TW. Yeah, I don't know where that is. I'll have to Google it. So whether it's come very far. Okay. Yeah, I didn't see anything. Bit of a tidy one, is that 2015? We've already found one twiddle today. I haven't got any room in there for... Oh, that's nice. That looks in good condition. Lord Kitchener, Your Country Needs You, First World War. I haven't got any more room for error coins. It's got £2 on it, so it's not the mule. Yeah, it's full up. I don't know what I'm going to do with that other twiddle. Let's put it in another album. I've got any pages left in other ones. Nothing exciting, eh? Let's try that one. Not that I'm looking for one. I know you like them. Yeah. Okay, there we are. I found, I've got a coffee here, by the way, guys and girls. I've got a cappuccino. Cheers, my dears. I found a new coin tuber this week. Well, I think it's been going for a little while, but Frasball collects, and I believe it's in Scotland. And I thought I'd give him a shout out because I found him, and I know a couple of others of you have, but just thought I'd give him a shout out just in case you haven't. There we are. Lovely. What other news have we got for you? The big birthday giveaway is coming together nicely. I've got a few things in there, a couple of surprises. But I will show you the prizes before we do the draw. The draw will be sometime in April, and it won't be too far into April. There we are. And if you've got to read the instructions, I think it's on my last video, and I'm not going to repeat the instructions because it's for you know, people who watch basically. So if you watch, you know what's what, and you're following my request. It's a big giveaway, so it's you've got to jump through the hoops. I know. Wow. There we are. But you could put the video on, go and make yourself a cup of tea. Okay, what's that? Not sure what that one is, in the middle somewhere, so if it's the wrong way up. It's not that one. It's that one. Ah, there we are. Victory in Europe against St Paul's. And we've got one of those. So not too many finds this time, is there? Well, it's getting harder and harder, but as I say, I'm not going to give up just yet. What's that? Obviously £2 short of a £5, £500. Leave it out, leave it out, leave it out, TenBob, leave it out. Behave, 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 behave. Hey, there we are. Oh well. Oh, we have got the World War One. Your country needs you. No, it's not. It's Army Pals. I know. Yeah, I was thrown by the £2. There we are. World War One Army soldiers, and we've got Marconi's Radio Waves Across the Atlantic. I should put these in some sort of order, shouldn't I? Sorry, guys and girls. Shall we just get a bottom line? We've got a nice twizzle on. Okay. I like a DNA. I like to check, see which is in best order, and then I just keep a couple of spares and swapsies and things. But I do like to check, make sure that I've got the tidiest one. I better get a bit fussy now. When at the beginning it was all, oh, I found this, oh, I found that, but now it's got to be a tidy coin. There we are. Oh, nice. I haven't found one of these for a while. Shakespeare's Comedies. 2016. Lovely. Love a Shakespeare. Turn that on the right way before it tips out. Come on, P. There we are. What's that? Anything? Shoulders off, shoulders off. Standing. That's joints, is it? Looks like it. No. Okay, second to last one. Something on there, I think. Unless I've got it upside down. There we are, we've got Victory in Europe again. St Paul's Cathedral. Was this something? Yeah, it was. What? Oh dear, I know. Got to make it as fun as possible, haven't we? Oi, nearly went to thingy up. Okay. Can't see anything there. Nope. Bust. Okay. So we've got one to flip. Magna Carta was a spanking start, wasn't it? Oh, nice. Something out of the pond. Wonder what that is. This looks interesting. They're all varied, so I'm not quite sure what's going on here. We've got a dirty coin. Yuck. Then we've got forgery. Yeah, jumps out to, yeah, I think it's a forgery. That portrait is, no, it's not magnetic, but not all the forgeries are magnetic. But let's have a look, see if it's just a worn coin. Could be. I'm going to have to take a closer look with the glass later on, but oh, what? Ha! Now then, guys and girls, 2015. Place your bets, please. Yes, yes. Oh, yes. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. I know, you've got to have a mad 5 minutes. Ah, dear. I'm going to put my hand out in a minute, see if a robin lands on it. I have to remember to put that up now, won't I, when I'm uploading the video. Oh, Brunel's Arches, and that's a tidy coin. Yeah, just needs a little bit of a magic wipe and that'll be beauty. Lovely, I love Brunel's Arches. I should be able to remember some, at least you'd think, of the vintage figures, but I can't. What do you mean you're not surprised? How cruel. Slurp of coffee, guys and girls. Love, love, love a cappuccino. Something else to flip. Oh gosh, move it along. Yay. 3 bags to go. Okay. Let's have a look. Anything there? Nope, can't see anything. Okay, could be another bust. Yeah, these hunts are oh, we haven't had a 1999 rugby for ages. There we are. Okay. That's that. 2 bags. That's a nice shiny one on this end. What's that? Alright, okay. I think just a little bit tidy. Last bag. Mustn't ask for any last bag luck. No. Oh, sorry, watch going off. No, anything on there? I didn't look, did I? Let me have a look. Shoulders? No. It's anything glaringly obvious. But we've got a couple to flip, hey. There we are, bust on the last bag. Okay, guys and girls. I'm not sure about that one. It feels very, very smooth, not magnetic. I'm just going to have a look for the initials of 4 o'clock on the technology side of this coin, so bear with. Well, there are some initials in the right place. It does seem to be in the right place. And I'm just going to check the edge inscription. Yeah, it actually looks very, very and feels very, very worn, but I think that's absolutely okay. Yeah, I know. Okay, so what we've got here, we've got our twiddle on, a rotation error where the centre isn't lined properly with the outer rim. And I'm just going to have a look and see. Right, okay. So I've got a pointer here somewhere in my armoury. Let's have a look. There we go. The initials are here in about 4 o'clock, which is where they should be. You might not be able to see them there, but you could perhaps zoom in on your screen. And then when you flip it over, there we are, 90 degree. Ooh, nice. That's nice. Not that I'm, as I say, I'm not looking for them normally. We've got a fantastic Magna Carta. Not sure whether it's a dink or muck, but a little bit battle scarred, as they say, but a bit rubbed. But I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. This DNA double helix is in nice condition. A little bit worn, nice and smooth, but clear, and no real dinks in it, so I'm happy with that. What one's this one? I am going for the hollow crown. Oh, all right then, it's not the hollow crown, it's the Act of Union between Scotland and England. We have our fantastic 2015 Britannia. Right, and then we have this last. There's a lot of detail on this. Oh, go on. Let it be. Oh, let it be. It's definitely not a Commonwealth Games, okay, so we can forget that, but I'm thinking Fire of London. Could be Fire of London. Oh, the Hollow Crown. Shakespeare's Hollow Crown. Shakespeare's histories, I should say, and the inscription is the Hollow Crown. Well, there we are, guys and girls. Not bad for a hunt. A few. That one's not a keeper, so we can move that one up. That one's not really a keeper, but if I'll just check it and see if it's any better than the ones I've got in my spares. And that's not as tidy as it could be, but hey ho, we're not complaining. And we've got a low mintage, so we've got 4 keepers. Not bad. Thanks very much again for joining me. I really appreciate your support, guys and girls. Can you give me the thumbs up? Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Take care until the next time. Bye bye.